Om Shri Sairam. Welcome to Shri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes. Class 7, State Syllabus, Second Language English. And today's poem is Why God Made Teachers. Okay, in this poem we are going to discuss about teachers and their role in our life. Teachers remain guiding stars throughout our lives. They show us the right path. So we all know that. So after our parents, teachers are our second parents, right? So always they will think about our welfare, our goodwill. They help us understand the world around us. So it's very difficult without teacher. We can't understand big concepts, right? So God created teachers to understand this world. And they teach us to appreciate nature and all living beings. So, and also teacher help us to understand the our nature and environment, and also to protect our environment. They help us to develop respect for others. So, and also they will teach us good manners and how to respect others, and also good habits. Okay, let's start. Why God Made Teachers. This poem written by Kevin William Huff. When God created teachers, He gave us special friends to help us understand His word and truly comprehend. Okay, when a child comes in this world, the child does not know anything. So first, our parents will teach everything. So our relatives, relationship, and how to speak and communication, everything our parents will teach. So after parents, teachers will give us knowledge, and also they will give us education, so that we can understand this world better, and also we can survive in a good way. So here comprehend means understand. The beauty and the wonder of everything we see, and become a better person with each discovery. So everything in God creation, everything is beauty. So beauty is nothing but how we see things. So teachers will teach us how to see things in a beautiful way, and also become a better person with each discovery. So when you learn more, you will improve your knowledge and you remove your ignorance. So teachers will help us to improve our knowledge and we become an intelligent person. Discovery means a fact or thing that someone learns or finds out for the first time. Wonder means something that causes surprise or amazement. So wonder means surprise. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us ways in which to grow so we can all decide. So when we fail, teacher will stand with us and they will motivate us. They will encourage us to succeed in our life. So until we succeed, they will not leave us, right? So teachers will play major role in our life to achieve our goal. So they will help us to set our goal. They will provide so many opportunities. They will give you so many chances, so many assignments, so that you will improve your knowledge, and also so you will improve your confidence level, and also they will bring good in you. So what are your inner qualities, they will find out and they will focus on that to develop it. How to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead, and learn how to be strong. So it's not only syllabus, teachers will teach beyond the syllabus. So they will give you so many informations and general knowledge, and also they will teach you moral values. So to help others, and you should not lie. So they will teach you good manners and classroom discipline. So everything, it will help us to lead a good life, and also we will become a great human being, good human being, and learn how to be strong. So they will give you so many opportunities, so many seminars, topics, and also they will make you group wise, right? So that you can improve your leadership quality, you can lead your groups, so that it will help you to lead your family or the society. So lead means an example for others to follow, a position of leadership. So they will help us to develop this leadership quality as well. Why God created teachers? In His wisdom and His grace was to help us learn to make our world a better and wise place. So what are the things we are learning? We should use it in your daily life, day-to-day life. For example, ecosystem. You all know that without nature, human beings can't live, can't survive. So that it is very important to protect our nature. So whatever we are learning, we should use it in our daily life. So you should spread awareness about these things, so that who are all don't know, they will also get benefited with this education. So God created teacher in His wisdom and His grace. So wisdom is knowledge and grace means the kindness that God shows to the human race. So teachers are very kind to students, they love children. So without children, the school is it's not like a school, right? So teachers love children a lot, so that children should follow the teacher's words to become a great human being. So they won't accept anything from you. They need all is to become a great human beings and to serve our society. I hope you all understood this poem. Let's move on to assignment part. Check your understanding. First one, answer the following in a word, a phrase or a sentence each. First one, whom does the word his refer to in the poem? Why does it begin with a capital H? What do we become after discovering a beauty and wonder of the world? What quality would we develop when teachers guide us? So what should we do for our world with the help of our teachers? Okay, next I have given few verbs. So you have to fill the boxes with other forms. So find out the verbs and fill the boxes. So V1 is base form of the verb and V2 is simple past and V3 is past participle. So first one, create. So V2 form is created and V3 form is created. So it is regular verb which ends with ed. So if it is ends with ed or d, that is regular verb. So this understand, V2 form is understood and V3 form is understood. So here we can't predict which comes next, so that is irregular verb. You should practice it, then only it will be easy for you. Next, you find out V2, V3 form of these verbs. In next class, we will discuss these things. The true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. So whatever we are learning, we should use it for our future. So you should save our nature and you should protect your environment and everything. So how to sustain in this life. So everything teachers will give you answers. For example, you might have wondered about this stars and sun, moon or planets, everything, this rain and also this water cycle, these all concepts teachers will teach you. And also computer science, nowadays technology is everywhere, right? So without technology, there is nothing in this world. So teachers will help you to improve in this way and also you can choose your career for betterment of our society. So whatever you are doing, you should do it for welfare of our society. You should not spoil our environment. Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. With this sloka, I will end this session. Next section, we will discuss question and answers. Thank you. Sairam.